In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the best HoneyBook promo codes and discounts. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or just someone looking for an easy way to manage your projects, getting a good deal on HoneyBook can make a big difference. Let's dive in and uncover the best ways to score those promo codes and discounts so you can save money while using this powerful platform. First, open up your web browser and head over to www.wethrift.com/honeybook. Make sure to enter this URL exactly as it appears to access all the available promotions directly. WeThrift is a fantastic resource for finding current discount codes and promotions across a wide variety of platforms. And with HoneyBook being such a multifunctional service, finding a discount here could mean significant savings. Once you're on the page, take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice a collection of promo codes and special offers listed right in front of you. As you scroll through the page, you'll find several codes and discounts available for HoneyBook. Each offer might vary slightly, so it's important to read through them carefully. Some codes may offer a percentage off your subscription, while others could give you a set amount of dollars off. You might even find codes that provide free trials or extended usage for new users. Take a note of the expiration dates on these codes, as you'll want to use them before they run out. Now, here's a quick tip. Always compare the available offers. Some codes might have special conditions, like requiring a minimum purchase amount or being applicable only to new users. Make sure the promo code you choose fits your specific needs and usage of HoneyBook. If you come across multiple codes that seem appealing, try them out one at a time to see which one grants you the best savings. It's also worth checking back regularly, as new discounts and promotions can be added frequently. Once you found your preferred promo code, simply copy it and head over to HoneyBook's website, or if you're setting up your account, paste it at the checkout or subscription page. Be sure to double check that the discount has been applied to your transaction to ensure you're getting the best deal possible before you finalize your purchase. This little extra step can be a game changer and make your experience managing projects through HoneyBook even more rewarding. And that's it. With these simple steps, you're all set to find and apply the best HoneyBook promo codes and discounts available. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it saves you both time and money as you navigate through HoneyBook's versatile features. Remember to keep an eye out for new offers and enjoy the benefits of using HoneyBook for your business or personal projects. Thanks for watching and happy saving.